Got you, yeah. Got my skin, got you, yeah. Under my skin, got you, yeah. Got you, I got you. Under my skin, got you, yeah. Got my skin, got you, yeah. Under my skin, got you, yeah. Got you, I got you. Under my skin, yeah. Got you, yeah. Under my skin, got you, yeah.
What's up, yo? Remember yesterday how I was like, things are gonna get even crazier now? Well, they are. I'm not wearing shoes now. So this is gonna be an interesting tutorial. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Magnus.Magneto from Now and Never Crew. And I've been like going all day. I created these steps first. Actually, no, sorry, I lied. I created yesterday's video. This morning, I edited it all and got it up. And then I went straight to creating today's, like the moves for it and everything. And then mastering it. And then I was doing this, which I spent way too much time on. And then I taught class for an hour virtually now. And now here I am. So this is gonna be an interesting tutorial. Welcome to 3 unique or advanced, whatever I'm gonna call it, up and down moves from footwork to toprock. So here we go. So I'm not gonna use shoes, at least for now, until my feet decide they really die, because I'm over wearing shoes today, I'm not gonna lie. It's been a while. So first one we're gonna go over is kind of like the 4-step one that I had before that I've taught this variation. I'm probably gonna be too lazy to do that insert, so I'm just gonna show you guys. So we're gonna go sweeping one leg like this, boom, hopping over right away, and then you're switching feet like this. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring this hand down and you're gonna hop over this leg. So you're gonna go kick over like this, and then this leg's gonna come up. So you're gonna go hop, boom, like that, okay? You can catch low, you can catch high, whatever you want. Then once you've done that, you're gonna switch to your hook, and you're just repeating the step. So again, an up and down flow for me is one that's continuous, like a pattern, okay? So it's never ending, you can do as many times as you want. So once you catch again, you just repeat. So you go hop onto this leg, re-sweep, hopping over this leg, landing in the center, then you switch body, boom, then again, this hand comes down, and you wanna go through almost like a flip, and this leg going over. So again, I taught this one before, but anyways, we're now putting it all together. So we're going here, hit, and then, that hurts in your feet, barefoot, hey, and you go switch, and then you go repeat, boom, pop, pop, all around, okay? So that's the first one. I'm putting on shoes so I can actually show you guys. I'm gonna put on shoes for padding, but I'm not gonna put on socks because I'm rebelling against shoes and socks right now, but I need the protection. So instead I'm gonna put on moist shoes. Don't you love moist shoes? So a little bit quicker, going 1, 2, 3, hit, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's kind of the flow. So again, make sure you're hopping off that second leg and sweeping under to get that, I don't know, around the world effect, whatever you want to call it. Okay, second one. So I like to start like this, sitting on my left buttocks, right foot here. Then I'm gonna go hand down, kick, step. Then this leg is gonna go onto this leg, which is gonna go through that arm. Isn't that a tongue twister? So you can have your hand a bit closer if you want it to be a bit easier. So it goes through like this. Then you're gonna wrap under, pop like that. Then rotate to here. Then you stand up. I'm just gonna hop back over here. You stand up. You do a little crossover step, kick, switch. Down, right here as you're going down. Make sure you hook that leg back into that same hooked figure 4 position. Hand down, then you rotate your legs this way, boom. Then you do the same thing on this side, cross over as far as you want, over into it, you switch hands. Then you go here and you reset. So you go other knee, crossing behind here. Just really making sure that you always cross on each one of those. That's the biggest point I'll make. And then you repeat the process. Go through, up and over, standing up, kick, crossover, down, hooking, rotate, kicking, up and over, then switching. All right, let's go a little bit quicker. Going 1, 2, through, boom, boom, kick and down, hit, up, around, switch, back through, and there you have it, okay? Last one, number 3, we're gonna go starting standing up this time. So you're gonna go kick, switch, hit, just like this. Then you're just gonna repeat that, but with an up and down flow. So then you're gonna go kick, rotate, and hook in. So grab, hand down, leg comes behind here, and then you're back up to the sky, going kick, switch, down, and then again you repeat, kicking away. Now you're rotating this way, and then you go switch, and then you go hook in, boom, then you're back up. So you're always kicking towards your arm, okay? If you're ever confused, which way you turn towards your shoulder, okay? Kick, switch, down, then once you're here, you're going on the ground this time, kick, switch, hit, okay? So I know that step can get a little bit confusing, but all you gotta remember is it's the kick, switch, hit every single time. So always make sure there's a kick, a switch, and a hit, okay? When you're on the ground, it stays kick, switch. The switch is just rotating, okay? And when you're standing up, it's always actually switching your leg. So rotate in, then when we stand up, it goes kick, switch legs here, down. Then when you're on the ground, you go kick, no switch, rotate, and you come in. So if you notice, I'm switching legs naturally every time. So there's always a switch in each direction. Hit. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's the step. All right, guys, I know that was a pretty low quality tutorial, but high quality movement, right? That's how I balance it out. When I make it really good quality content of like my teaching skills, then the move quality is lower. And when the move quality is higher, the teaching skills are lower, you know? I just like balancing myself out. It's called chaotic, balanced insanity of Magnus, okay? So you can kind of get the full spectrum of garbage in your daily dose of Magneto. If you like this video, please comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Like, subscribe, smash bell button for more videos. Love is love. Love is love.